beautiful. So this is a Amish farm. It is 420 on 5 acres, 420,000. You get all this. That's the real deal. Welcome sign. No Hobby Lobby type stuff. So what do you think that is? So this is like the front door. Look how beautiful that view is. Wow. Gorgeous. So I guess this is like the main kitchen. Is this the butler's kitchen? This is quite amazing. See what the Amish living. There's rooms everywhere. Is there? Oh, you can't turn on the lights. I know. There is no lights.
Is there anything else we can do? Not really.
It's closets. There's just doors everywhere, isn't there? There's an upstairs. The secret upstairs right there. Don't go up there yet. Wow, this is cool. How cool is this? There's one room. Is there 7 bedrooms? Look at that view. How cool. You should see their new crib. So there is legit no lights. What is the cost to put electricity? This is so cool. What do they think that is? Look at the views. They legit. It's okay. Come on. You got her?
No.
Come on. You're interrupting my vlog here.
Oh.
Stairs are.
What do you think this is?
Stoves, I'll put like water on them all day. Oh, it smells like soup all day.
What's the square footage? Oh, I found another upstairs. You might need to use all 30 pictures inside.
But there's air kit.
So, what's that, sunflowers? That's a lot of space. A lot of jars. Cool. Very cool. This house is cleaner than most. What do they call us? They call us, what do they call us? You see all those barns? Kelly, so are those barns someone else's? Look at all this over here. What do the Amish call us? Or English? Or are they English? There's a lot of barns over there. All right, we still gotta go see the basement. This is an Amish person's house. Isn't that cool?
Hey, it's just the 2 barns?
You're gonna need to FaceTime him. There's a bunch over there.
See the door.
Where's the basement? There's the basement. Is this what keeps the whole house warm, huh?
Stairs.
Wow. What are they growing there? Wow. It smells like some type of food. I'm not quite sure what this is here. This is crazy. So they build this. They built this. Oh, that's what I'm smelling is this. So what do you think? So that's their heat. This is cool. They locked me down here. So here is a bathroom I didn't show. They don't do mirrors, obviously. You realize they don't do mirrors in their bathrooms?
Daddy, there you are.
Pantry? Oh. There's a lot of doors. What do you think went there in the fridge spot? With no electric?
They use gas for a lot of stuff.
Mm.
Look at this. You put your laundry out here.
Oh, wow.
Just leave this one unlocked. This one was unlocked.
That's for drying?
Before?
Yeah, that was unlocked.
Yeah, leave this one unlocked and that one unlocked. And that one locked. Thank you. Alright, let's go.
So 5 acres. I'm not quite sure right now where. There's a little garden right there. There's horses in here too.
Horses. This is the farm.
Wow. I'm wearing J's. Stepping in horse shit.
Not happy.
Hi, babies.
Hi.
Are you there, motorized vehicles?
What's your name?
Are you there, motorized vehicles?
What's your name?
Scared of people? Oh. What about you? What y'all saying? What y'all saying? No.
What's your name?
They're not trained very well.
No.
They're scared.
Yeah.
Madison.
Oh, they have a stroller.
This is where all the money goes into. Obviously not interior design.
They don't care.
So what is the cost to put?
Electric? It depends what, if they already have it, like, ready for it.
And then it needs borders if people wanted borders around the bottom. So you don't have the price of the
They said it's around 11,000 to get it, like,
to get electricity.
and
Does it have running water? Oh, okay.
I'm surprised.
It does have running water? You didn't see the
I
basement.
saw a toilet.
So those barns over there are not. So where is the 5 acres? There's about 30 horses over here.
probably out that way by the highway, maybe.
You can see the horses. Did you see the view from that deck? It was dope. Oh, I would live in that shit.
They're expensive, though. I can't afford that, driving them home.
So it comes with this one too. Look, this is their houses. Wow, that's a lot of horse stalls. Look at their bedrooms. You see their bedrooms? Look at their horse bedrooms. Way up there. Ooh, look at all the birdies. Here's some. There's some in their bedrooms. Hi, baby. Oh, that's a baby one.
Careful, I'll bite you.
That's a baby.
Shh, don't touch.
Oh, they've got babies.
Are you serious?
Hi, baby. Look, is this the mom to this one and the mom to this one? Are you protecting it? Is that what it's doing? How do you know if they don't like you?
They'll put their ears
Hi.
Oh, I like the
Hi. Oh, scared me. Hi. Nice teeth. I want one of these horses. Oh, look at this one's really small. Hi, baby. Kelly, let's get this baby one. Hey, Kelly. You think they'll give us this one? Look at it. It's Madison's size.
It's gonna get bigger. Fast. That's mine.
Look at all of them. This one doing. You got horse poop on your Yeezys? You got horse poop on my... Yeah. Oh, little baby's over here. Careful. This is probably the 5 acres right here. Some of it. Hey, back up, Madison. He's coming.
Come here, hurry.
Oh, are you nice? Hi. Hi. Oh, here they all come. Hi. Oh my goodness, they're all coming. Hi.
Watch out for the poop, Adeline.
These are baby ones, aren't they?
Yeah, they probably breed them. Oh yeah.
That's some big money. The Amish are the real ballers. You have no idea. They're the ones buying these properties with cash. I'm telling you, they got real money. They say the English are broke, and English people are broke. Y'all waiting in line? Y'all waiting in line to get pet? Look at your hair. Look at them bangs. Your bangs? Uh-oh. Oh, easy now. He's trying to get through. So, none of the horses come with. What is it? 420. This would be amazing.
That's really a good deal for the horse.
This is.
You'd have to completely redo that.
If an English person sold this, are we the English?
Yes.
Okay, if an English person sold this would be over $1 million.
Oh yeah.
There's another garden. What you got? I want to buy this property. We could completely renovate the interior. What do they got? What am I looking at?
Grapes probably, or what else grows on a vine? Yeah, grapes or raspberries. You can smell some type of herb in there. Oh, I know, we're roughing it, huh?
They got landscaping. The basement has some weird stuff in it.
Oh yeah, me too.
What?
I keep falling asleep in the first episode.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh.
I just went in spiderweb.
Look at it.
Where?
That's the spider.
I think
Where?
he's dead.
No, he just pulled up.
Oh.
Yeah, come this way. That has got a massive ass on it.
Madison,
What exactly is this?
It's probably berries. Some sort of berries.
I wonder if that's their corn. It's the back deck.
It's cool that they just live off of this.
This is amazing.
Well, and they squirrel it away too. Like they can stuff and they write it all down in a book, and they'll be like, "We made this much green beans for dinner."
They're really wasting it.
So you don't think that building is theirs?
He says they're woodworking shop.
Yeah. It doesn't look like old stuff. Oh, there's a watermelon.
Is that the phone booth out there? See it? There's something. What's that?
Get some squash for dinner.
What's that? Tomatoes?
There's carrots. Those are big watermelons. Some carrots.
Oh wow, I didn't see those.
Look at that. No, on that caterpillar. That's no bite.
Oh, no,
here.
no.
Leave it alone.
Where? Oh wow.
It's huge.
That looks like death. Look
Look
out.
at the carrots.
That's poison.
Yes.
It looks like Easter bunny.
Some melons. Now.
Is that what that is? What's that? Another?
Some big squashes over there.
Poor Jays. Just bought these two. I think I'm stepping on more stuff. There's a road. Oh, there's another house. Look at their laundry hanging up. Yeah, so this must be the end here. They got a forklift. So fun fact, actually about 6 years ago I worked for these guys. So once you're in good with one, you're in good with all of them. And you have endless jobs to do. They pay about $3 a mile to drive them. But you got the endless hookup. So yeah, this is their woodworking shop. No, this isn't part of the property, I don't believe. They got cows. Oh, there's a fire right there. There's another forklift. No. Okay.
I see you, Kelly.
There's a lawnmower that cuts 5 acres.
They do a weed eater and stuff. So
Oh yeah, there is a weed eater. It looks freshly cut.
smells like horses.
Yeah, the guys, they don't have time to cut the grass. Ain't no way. Stuff.
Let's go change your diaper. Come on.
Is this the parking spot?
Yeah.
She wants you to hold it.
No, Daddy, that's for tie the horses.
No. Well, thank you.
Madison, let's change your poop. Come on.
Gorgeous. You don't know the square footage on the house? Over 4,000, 7 bedrooms. And the driveway is beautiful coming down through here. See that? Ain't that awesome? Beautiful. In my bag. What are you doing with that?
Can you put that on the front? Well, I
Is
don't
the
know
key
which
in
one's
it?
the front. No,
Where's
he's
the
gonna
key?
come put the key.
Who?
My dad.
Which front door is the front door?
The one on that.
That front door? This is what they think about English people's shoes. Flower pot.
Yeah, I just live down there, really. There's like 2 families in here.
Oh, it's huge.